In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use the Magnifier tool on your Windows computer, a simple but powerful feature that enhances accessibility by allowing you to zoom in and out on your screen effortlessly. This can be incredibly helpful for those who have difficulty viewing small text or images on their display. Let's dive right in and get started. First, we begin by heading over to your Windows settings. You can do this easily by clicking on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the menu is open, either type the word Settings in the search bar or look for the gear icon labeled Settings. Click on it and the Settings window will open, presenting you with a variety of options. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Accessibility settings. In the Settings window, you'll find a list of categories, including options like System, Devices, and Network. Look for the Accessibility section, which is typically represented by an icon resembling a person with their arms extended. Click on it to proceed. Once you're in the Accessibility section, you will see several features designed to assist with various needs. Here, you'll want to find and select the option labeled Magnifier. The Magnifier is a tool designed to enlarge your screen content, making it easier to see small text and images. Clicking on Magnifier will take you to its specific settings page. Now, you are ready to activate the Magnifier tool. You'll notice a setting that allows you to toggle the magnifier on or off. Go ahead and toggle it on to activate the feature. Once it's enabled, you can start using it immediately. A pop-up will appear indicating that the tool is active. To make the most of the Magnifier tool, there are some handy shortcuts you should know. To zoom in, simply press the Windows key along with the plus key on your keyboard. This combination will increase the zoom level, allowing you to see things closely. Conversely, if you wish to zoom out, press the Windows key along with the SLA key. And with that, you're all set. You have successfully enabled and learned how to use the Magnifier tool on your Windows computer. This simple tool is particularly beneficial for those who need a little extra help viewing detailed content on their screens. Now you can enjoy a more accessible and personalized computing experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.